What's up everybody? Patrick with MoreBeer here. Today we're going to be disassembling and cleaning an Intertap draft faucet. So Intertap forward sealing faucets are the most popular faucet that we sell. So we just pulled this faucet off of the office kegerator. It's a little dirty, so we're just going to give it a quick scrub. So let's get into it. Super easy to disassemble. So just taking off the spout there, or tap handle, this little guy. All right, now that we have the faucet disassembled, let's take a look at all the components. First, we have the faucet spout, the jacket handle, the compression bonnet, the lever, the actual shuttle, and the faucet body itself, and of course our tap handle. We're gonna just use some warm water for this demonstration, but you could use PBW, your preferred cleaning chemical. So we're gonna drop all these pieces into the bucket, get them nice and wet, and then just give them a good scrub with this CE90 faucet brush. Just give that a good stir. All right, so we're gonna just give it a good internal scrub. Be careful of any O-rings that come on it. As you'll see, they'll probably pop out as I'm brushing it. You have an O-ring located at the back here where the faucet connects to a shank. Looks like it's actually holding pretty good, so I'll just leave it in place, but preferably take all the O-rings out, give them a good wash, and stick them back in. And then same thing at the front here, there is an O-ring where the spout connects. Sometimes when you unscrew the spout, the O-ring will come with it, so just something to watch out for when you're disassembling. These O-rings can always be easy to lose. Oh, there it goes, that guy popped out, so let's put that there. So I like to hit it from front to back, and then usually down the spout here as well, just to get all the areas covered. You see another hard gasket pops out here. All right, that's looking pretty good. A lot of times I'll use just line cleaner and I'll just clean my faucets in place, but sometimes after a certain beer or maybe add a cider on, a soda, something sticky, then you might want to just break down the entire faucet for a really good scrub. It's also just good to do every once in a while. Just break it all down, clean all the nooks and crannies, and put it back together. So there's our faucet body. That one goes there, this one goes there. All right, so now we can put the faucet back together. It's ready to go. We'll start with the spout. So this is that O-ring that popped out, so I'm just gonna lay that in there. And then thread the spout back on. Put the shuttle back in. So you want to note that you need the shuttle to be with these holes up or down. So just kind of line it up, slide it in, and then we'll first get this guy ready to go. There are these two hard plastic seals. So one is going to go inside this top, and you'll note there's a little lip on the bottom. So we'll want that bottom lip facing down. And then when we put this guy on, the bottom lip will be facing up. All right, now to line the shuttle back up. There we go. And again, lip facing up. Goes on that ball there. And then we have this other gasket for the friction bonnet. Cool, friction bonnet on top of that. And then our handle jacket. Another good thing to note, that friction bonnet, a lot of people just kind of ignore it, but it is a great way to kind of dial in the feel of your handle. So if it's a little loosey-goosey, you just tighten that guy down. And then if it's too tight, just loosen it back up and you'll get whatever kind of smooth action or stable hold that you want out of it. And then of course the faucet jacket, usually this comes, or excuse me, handle jacket, usually comes in real handy when you're putting on some sort of tap handle where there's a front and a back. And so if it's not like perfect when you thread it on, you can adjust the handle jacket basically so that it seals up with the handle once it's in a forward position. But luckily with this guy, there is no front or back. So that's it, guys. As you can see, cleaning a faucet really doesn't take that much time. Cheers.